Hostinger Website Builder Slider Tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a slider into your Hostinger website. So we are going to head over the website builder of Hostinger by heading over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to be pretty much very easy. We're going to head over the website list. Then we're going to click on edit website on any website that we have, and after that what we're going to do is going to be pretty much easy. We're going to be on the website, so we're going to add a section. This section is going to be something. I'm going to head over, for example, the gallery. We can go ahead and use the gallery, for example, until we are going to find slider. This is the one that will have the sliding, so we can go ahead and add more. As you can see, so we are going to show up, for example, these. You can manage the galleries, you can add more photos like that, for example, and boom. And after that you're going to edit this and make it as a slider. If this doesn't work, it is going to be probable you're going to add another thing or another section here, which is going to be a slideshow. So this is the main one. We have the arrows to move in the photos, move, next, previous, and then we have slides. You can edit that, make the arrows and also the points disappear or do whatever you want. So for settings, you can go and set up the autoplay, duration, also loop slides. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.